Hello and welcome back. So this is going to be another makeup basket shop my stash. I'm very excited. I will first pick out new products and then I will recap the products from last time. So let's get into it. Alrighty, so I want to pick a bronzer and a blush, and my bronzer is now overflowing into my blush because I bought some more. And my newest ones are the Too Faced and this Morphe one. I really like both of these, but I think this time I'm going to pick the Too Faced. It's just a bit darker and I'm kind of in the mood for more of a tan look. As far as blush, this one was just in here. You know, I haven't used my Wet n Wild ones in a while, so I think I am going to go with Mellow Wine, which is more of an orangey color. As far as lipstick, I don't know that I want to pick a lipstick because I've been really rotating through them lately, but I think I may pick a lip liner because these are so neglected in my collection. I have these two from NYX and they honestly are so similar to each other. I barely know the difference. So I'm gonna go with Natural. Alrighty, time for the highlighter drawer. And I don't know what I wanna pick. I haven't really used this one in a while. Or the Laura Geller. I feel like I never use this. This is Gilded Honey. This was so popular and I don't know, I just don't ever really reach for it. Oh, this is my newest highlighter and it's Urban Decay Sin and I found it at Marshall's. I've been using it a lot though, so I don't think I'm going to pick that, but oh my gosh, I love this. You know what? I think I'm actually gonna go with the Gilded Honey because I just don't ever reach for this, so I'm gonna go with this. As far as eyeshadow palettes, I think I want to pick two this time. I only had one last time, and gosh, so many palettes that I don't use that much. But I've been missing this one. This is the Carity Matte Palette. This is really colorful, but also has neutrals, and I feel like the quality on this is amazing, and I don't think I've used this in a couple of months, so I'm going with this. All right, this is my second palette drawer. There's a few that I'm leaning towards that I know I haven't used much. One is this Sylvia Ghani palette. I love this. The quality on this is mind-blowingly good. And then the other one is this Profusion palette. I haven't not used it this much either, but I do really like it. Also this e.l.f. one I've been wanting to use. I think I'm gonna go with the Profusion because I've got colorful options and neutral options as well. So I'm gonna go with this. Okay, so let me recap last time's products. And one was this lip gloss, Anastasia Toffee, and I gotta say, I really like it. This is one of their more popular shades. It's a pinky brown nude lip gloss. These are rather pigmented, but they are not sticky at all. They don't last super long, but I mean, it's a lip gloss and it's not sticky, so I can't complain. I really love this. So I actually had another lip gloss in this makeup basket and I did declutter it. That was the NYX Duochrome one in that pink color, and I tried it, you guys, and it wasn't duochrome at all. It was straight up like frosty pink lip gloss. It did not look good on me at all, so yeah, I did declutter that. So I'm glad that I pulled it out again because I remember using it once before and I kind of thought the same thing, and I thought, well, maybe it was just because I had layered it with a pink lipstick. Well, I tried it a few times, so yeah, that was a no-go. As far as the bronzer I had picked this one from Wet n Wild in Queensland, and I really like this. I prefer it as a contour though, because it's hard to tell by looking at it or even in a swatch, but it does have some shimmer in it, so I prefer it on the cheekbones here, but it has a really nice, almost all of the undertone, so I really liked this for contouring, but yeah, I don't like it on my forehead. The most exciting thing that I picked last time was this Makeup Geek in the Nude palette. Wow, I fell in love with this palette. It has a lot of their classic shades like Tan Lines, and this is Grandstand, and The quality on this palette is mind-blowing. I really, really like it. It makes me want to get more Makeup Geek, but I have a lot of eyeshadows, so I should just enjoy this, but this is a really good palette and their quality is top-notch. Next up, I had picked a blush palette, and that was this one from Tarte. This was some limited edition holiday one. All the holiday ones are the same, so whatever, but it's really nice. There's nudes and pinks, and I really liked it. I don't know, would I say this is like the best thing ever? I'm not sure. Lately, I've just kind of realized that a lot of blushes are the same, and they kind of look the same once I blend it in with my highlight and bronzer. I don't know. I've bought some blush this year, which was something I was really good about last year not buying. But yeah, I think I have too much blush. I liked this. It's fine. It's not mind-blowing, but it's good. Then I picked the Anastasia Glow Kit, the Sugar Glow Kit, and I really love this. I already knew that though. I just hadn't used it in a while. These two colors have more pink in them. This one is more bronzy. This one is quite light, but doesn't show up quite as light like it does in the pan. Has some more gold in it, but yeah, this is really good. Not much to say. I already knew I loved it, so I'm glad that I used it. I'll just show you quick the stuff that I picked out for this time. One was this lip liner in Natural by NYX. I like these lip liners, but again, lip liner is something I always forget about, so I need to use this more. Ideally, I'd like to maybe even finish this at some point. I mean, not anytime soon. I have a lot left, but I do like it. Then I picked the Wet n Wild blush in Mellow Wine. I mean, this is just like a peachy shade. It's not mind-blowing, but I do know I really like this formula. This one I'm really excited to use. This is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. I got this at the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty for $15. This used to be my holy grail bronzer years ago. And I do love it because I have been using it on and off since I bought it, which was like almost a month ago now. I love it. I know that I love this bronzer, and yeah, it smells like chocolate. Yeah, this was my holy grail, so I'm really happy to have this again. It's really nice. Plus this new packaging is super fancy. I actually really like it better than the older packaging. Then I picked Gilded Honey by Laura Geller. This was such a popular highlighter a few years ago. And I mean, it's just a gold highlighter. I mean, it's not like anything interesting or spectacular. I feel like now there's so many blinding gold highlighters out there that this isn't quite as revolutionary as it was a few years ago, but I mean, it is really nice. I just never reach for it, so I need to use this. And then I have two palettes. The Carity Matte Palette. I know I love this. I haven't used it in a while though. And the quality on this is really nice. Some of them are a bit more sheer, but they're so easy to blend, which I really like for colorful eyeshadows. Plus there's actually neutrals in here also. I know I haven't used this in a while, but I'm really excited to. Then I have the Profusion Wanderlust palette. I'm really excited to use this too. I know I really like it. I know some of the shimmers are a bit of duds in this palette, but some are really good. The mattes are fantastic, and this palette is only $10 at Target. It's crazy. But I know I like it, but I need to get more use out of it. Alrighty, so that is it for my makeup basket update. I'm pretty excited to use some of these products, and I am so happy I'm getting good use out of my collection. I'm very, very excited. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.